Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Munkesh, and in this video we will start covering T command and one of the important topic, that is hard link and soft link. Usually people gonna ask difference. What is the difference between hard link and soft link? That I'll cover, and I'll tell you practical example of hard link and soft link as well. Let's start with T. So T command is a command. It will help you, like output of first command. It will store into a new file. How? Suppose I'm doing ps minus ef, so this output I'm getting, I want to store this output. What I'm using, I was previously using this single greater than. After cat you are using this one, and it was creating a file like this, process dot txt. So process dot txt, that file will come at the end. Look at here, and in that file you can see your output. Previously we are using this thing like this one. The same output you can get it with the help of t as well, like ps minus ef pipe command we will use here, and t command. Here I will put output 1.txt. So at the end you can see output 1.txt. In that file you will get the same output, like output of ps minus ef. It will show you again. History, uh, pipe t history.txt. So whatever command I have executed till now, all that command got stored in this file. So output of first command, it will store into a new file, and you're supposed to use pipe option also, and you can use like this also, history single greater than history. It will also give the same output. But if you use double greater than, what will happen? Double greater than, it will append, it will continue that file, like ps minus ef greater process.txt. Next, if you'll see process.txt, again what I'm going to do is I'm using double greater than here. So it will start appending that same file. Four times I have used. Now see process.txt output. So this is only applicable in single greater than. In double greater than, it will start appending. But in T command, there is no option like this. It will only store the output of first command into a new file like this. ps minus ef pipe, then t command, and output 123.txt. In that output 123.txt you can see your output. Now let's move to a very important topic, that is hard link and soft link. Hard link, let me show you the difference between both, and what is a linking file, that will also we will see. So in windows, if you want to open any file, what usually you'll do, simple. I have one file which is saved in e drive under classes notes, under sql folder, under join folder. Let me keep one file here. Let's see, this is what my uh, one ppt file is available under this new folder. Whenever I wanted to open this file, I will always come to my e drive, then classes notes folder, then sql, then join, then new folder, and then I'll click on this file. It will automatically open that file. But what we can do is, I can create a shortcut of this file into my desktop. Rather than coming to here, you just go to your desktop. In this desktop you can see this shortcut file. This shortcut file is fully linked to this main file, guys. If you'll see, size of main file is 899 kb. It's around 1 MB, and this file size is only 4 kb. Look at this, because it is a shortcut to access this main file. If you double click on anyone, I click on this, then also I'm gonna it gonna open the main file. If you double click on this, it will gonna open the main file. So whatever shortcut file I have created on the desktop, it is what the linking file. And in windows we have only soft link, like this is a shortcut to access that file, only this option. But in unix we have one more advanced, that is a hard link. These things also we can do in linux, so I'll tell you how to do it. So let's go and see the difference between both. So in windows which you have shown, this is an example of symbolic link, which is an easy access. If you delete the main file, then there is no use of that shortcut file, because that shortcut file is fully depend on that main file. In hard link, it is a backup of the file. What happens in hard link, if your file size is 400 MB, then your hard link file is also 400 MB. Both file, it's like a copy paste, but in this you will have a same inode number, because you will modify any file, both file will get modified. That's the reason it has the same inode number for the both files, and in soft link it has the different inode number. Ln command you can use for hard link, ln minus s command you can use for the soft link. Now let's go ahead and create some files, and let's start working on it. Like I have a cat process.txt, this file. Okay, I have just opened it, and what I'm going to do is I will move this file to one folder, home Mangesh. Here we have Aishwarya. Then in Aishwarya I have folder called as Priyanka. Then in Priyanka, do we have any folder? I don't have any folder. So let me keep that file here. That process.txt file is not available in my current directory, that is home Mangesh, because I have recently moved that file in home. Whenever I want to open, then I need to give the entire path like this, process. So rather than this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create shortcut to access this file, and with the help of ln minus s command you can create it, then give the entire path. If you want to give the another name, that also you can give, but let me give the same name right now. Here I have that file name called as process.txt, and this is minus s you have used, means it is a shortcut to access that process.txt. Look at here, this is linking file, this is shortcut of this main file. So in the current directory I can use process.txt. I will open that main file. This is what the main file, and somehow someone deleted this file, then there is a no use of this home Mangesh, Aishwarya, Priyanka, then process.txt. Oh, like this. If someone deleted this main file, then there is a no use of shortcut. I'll show you. I will delete that main file. Rather than cat, I'm using rm command, ls minus lrt. Look at it, shows like orphan. And if you try to open this cat process.txt, so it no files and directory. So what happens with the hard link? Let's go ahead and create one more hard link. What I'll do is this lion.txt I have file, or tiger.txt, this file I have right now, cat tiger.txt. It has some data like this. So what I'm going to do is that tiger.txt file I'm moving now. This is mv command, cp command will paste, it will do copy paste, mv command it will do cut paste. Home Mangesh, Aishwarya directory, then Priyanka directory, and under it I have nothing, so I will put my tiger.txt over there. So I want to create one hard link now. So here we have a tiger.txt, and I'm using ln command now. In my current directory I'm using it, so it will create the hard link in my current directory. So look at this, ls minus lrt. I have one more tiger.txt. Where it is? It's here only. Previously it was not here. Okay. Let me modify the tiger.txt. So what I'm gonna do is I'll add some name, eco uh, tiger, lion, and I will put zebra. So echo will print this message on the screen. So but what I'm going to do is I'm going to append this tiger.txt. So what will happen? ls minus lrt, at the end you can see tiger.txt also, and you can see lion.txt also, because this is a linking file of both. This is also linking file. And how to see this? You just go ahead and see both has same item number or what, because in previous practice also I created this. That's the reason. uh, ls minus lrti, look at this. both has same inode number. So this tiger.txt and lion.txt, they both are hard link. And just go ahead and see what is the inode number of that tiger.txt which you have moved in that directory. Aishwarya, Priyanka. Here also we have a tiger.txt. Oh, I want to see the inode number. So I'll put I here. Mhm. Look at this. Yes, this inode number at the last double line one, this inode number, this inode number, everything is matching. So that's the reason. If you modified any file, this file will also get modified, this file will also get modified, and this also, because it is a part of hard link. Okay, you can create a number of files like with the help of ln command. And I do have a three files, three hard links. If I delete any one, I have two. If I delete any two, I have one as a backup. That's the reason it is called as backup, backup of the file. And here it is an easy access. If you delete main file, then there is no use of shortcut. So I have covered here this option, backup. If you'll see, size is also same, 2534, 2534, 2534. But in shortcut it was not like that. Let me create one shortcut of this state.txt in my current. So uh, one sec, what we can do is ln minus s home Mangesh Priyanka, and I have that file name called as state.txt. And in this current directory, I have created a shortcut of that. This is I have deleted now, so I don't have that file. But look at the shortcut size, it is only 42 blocks. And go ahead and see what is the exact size, exact inode number. Exact inode number here you can see inode number is different. Okay, and ls minus lrt I, but go ahead and check the what is the inode number of main file. It is different. ls minus lrti Aishwarya, then under Priyanka. See, uh, inode number of main file is this. Inode number of shortcut, different inode numbers. Size is also different. It is a shortcut. Main file size is 433 blocks. Now, let's see. I can go ahead and I can create one more shortcut file of this fruit.txt. Actually, it is a directory, and hard link will not work on directory. Okay, so my first, it is a backup of the file, and it is an easy access that I have covered. Hard link has same inode number. That's the reason all files are getting updated. But here we have a different inode number. But if you do changes in the shortcut also, it will get reflected in only main file. Main file delete, then there is no use of shortcut. Ln command you can use for hard link. Ln minus s command you can use for short shortcut. And it requires disk space. Obviously, all file size are same. That's the reason in hard link we require disk space. In soft link we doesn't require any kind of disk space, because shortcut file doesn't have too much space. It doesn't require too much space. Backup description, I have written that it is a backup of the file. If any files get deleted, then another you can use as a backup. But in shortcut, if main file get deleted, then there is a no use of shortcut. For directory, hard link cannot be created for directories. If it is a directory, then hard link will not get created, but soft link you can create for the directories. I can show you. In this I have fruit.txt, which is a directory. You can see it here. If I'll try and do like this, oh, ln command I'm using, home Mangesh Aishwarya, then Priyanka, then fruit. So this is what the directory, and I'm trying to use this ln command. So I'll get the error, it is directory. Hard link not allowed for directory, but shortcut is best option. Ln minus s, I think in previous practice I had already did this thing, so that's the reason. See here, what I'll do is I'll give the another name to that fruit.txt directory. So if I want to give another name, that also fine. And new name I can give uh, triple d ls minus lrt. So triple D, I can do like this. If it is a shortcut, still you don't do and ddd, it is not right because it is a directory. So cd ddd, you will enter in that, and whatever files are available, I think this fruit.txt is empty. We do not have anything in that. Let's go ahead and see. Let me copy paste. I will start adding some folders over here. ls, okay, so touch, mango, oh, mango is already exist, okay, apple, mango, and I'm going to create few more directories here. A b c d, ls minus lrd. So this is what the uh, details available in this fruit.txt directory. But let me go ahead and see what are the details available in my DDD directory. See, I am in this directory, which is a shortcut to access this fruit.txt, and whatever data available in fruit.txt, same data is available in this. So in this way, you can create hard link for files, but hard links cannot be created for directory. And in this way, you can create the soft link for directory. This is what the output, and this is what the difference part. It is very important. Just make a note of it. In the interview, they will ask you the question: what is the difference between hard link and soft link? Thanks for watching this video. In the next video, I'll start covering few more important commands, which is grep and find. Those are also very important command in the production. Watch my next video for that. Thanks for watching.